Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will explore how the live server extension works in Visual Studio Code. First, look at how our code behaves without using the live server extension. Here is a basic HTML file. To open it, navigate to the directory where it's saved and double-click to open it in the browser. Now that the web page is open, let's make a small change. For example, I will change the color of an element in the HTML code. After making changes, I press Ctrl+S to save the file. But here's the frustrating part. If I return to the browser, the change remains invisible. To see the update, I have to refresh the page manually. This can become quite annoying if you're making frequent changes. A handy tool called the live server extension saves us from having to refresh the page every time we make a change. To install it, open the Extensions tab in VS Code and search for Live Server. Click on this extension and install it. It's as simple as that. Once you notice the Live button at the bottom of your VS Code, click on it to start our live server. Now that the live server is running, let's make another change to our web page. I'll change the color of the element again to bright green. After saving the file, notice what happens now. There's no need to refresh the page manually. Thanks to the live server extension, the changes appear instantly on the web page. This shows how the live server extension makes web development much more accessible by automatically refreshing your page whenever you save a file. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can never miss a good video.